welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this playlist is on knives. Now many of you know that I've got this thing for knives, either kitchen knives, working knives, pocket knives, razor knives. I just like them all. This one is a Christmas 2025 Ozark Trail edition, and this is the Vertex. Here's a close-up of it. I love the color of this thing, and so you can't tell from here, but it's got blue accents. So let's tear into this thing right here, see what it looks like. See what it looks like. There we go. Okay, paperwork. 7.5 inch folding knife. And that's basically it. Yep. Nothing fancy. I don't know if you can tell, but see those blue accents in there on the liners? That really stands out. Huh. Right here on the end too, where you can put the lanyard. Yeah, that really, that looks sharp. I like that. Anyway, here we go. This is called the Vertex. Ooh, I like the feel of this one. It's not too bad. Not too bad at all, really. Okay. Gimping or jimping or whatever you want to call it right here on the top. I've heard it called both. So you decide what you would like for it to be called. There we go. You have a pocket clip on the back, which is reversible, which means you can take it off this side and put it on this side. That's what those two holes are for right here. Might be hard to see, but if you go to Walmart and check it out, that's what those two holes are for right there, so you can move the pocket clip over there. This really stands out. I don't know, it just catches my eye for some reason. It's got to be the color. Liner lock, which means I will show you right here the liner on this side. You have to move it over with your thumb or other finger so you can close the blade. There we go. Let's do that again. Move it over with your thumb, push it this way, and then take your index finger and fold it up. Very easy process. Here we go. It is a flipper, and it flips very, very nice, very easy. Very nice. Huh. Nothing fancy about the scales on here. Right here, it has a little chamfer on both sides. Here we go. Apologize if I keep on getting it out of frame. Yeah, that's stands out. I'm going to carry this one for a while. There we go. No issues with that. Like I said, there's nothing fancy. It just works. Got this Uline catalog right here. I'm gonna open it up and tear a page out. There we go. Open this thing up. Hopefully there are no nicks in this blade. Let's see if we can get this thing to cut. Yeah, it's cutting. Not great. This is very thin paper here. It is a $8 knife, so you gotta keep that in mind also. So it is cutting the paper. Of course, it's not cutting like a Benchmade would, but a lot of knives don't do that, right? There we go. Not bad for under $10 knife. Not too bad. Got no issues with it. Part of the Christmas 2025 Ozark Trails knife collection. So far, of the ones that I opened, I believe this is my favorite one. So, got any questions or concern? If you have one of these and you like it, let us know. If you hate it, let us know. Just do some interaction with us and tell us what we can do better to make our videos better. Go to Walmart, check this out, make a great gift. Stocking stuff, or just put it in your purse, put it in your tackle box, your toolbox, anything. Yeah. Not the lightest one of the season, but sure it won't be the heaviest either. My name is Carl, and I do appreciate you watching.